Welcome back to Simple Spoonfuls, where we show you how to make simple recipes spoonful of nutrition. I'm Kristen Nusel, registered dietitian and patient advocacy liaison.
I'm Kim Moran, Senior Vice President and Head of Rare Diseases in the U.S. On today's episode, we are going to show you how to create a quick and easy breakfast dish, egg in a mug.
This recipe is great for days where you don't have a lot of energy but you want something quick and easy. And you can adjust your egg in a mug to however you'd like to create it.
Now, Kristen, for this recipe, we'll be using 2 eggs, or you can substitute 6 tablespoons of egg whites. You'll also need to have a 1/4 cup of spinach and a 1/4 cup of mushrooms, both chopped, and 1 tablespoon of shredded cheese.
Now, to save time and energy in the kitchen, we are going to use egg whites today. This is something that I do recommend purchasing the brand name of, just because the taste is so much better in my opinion. The one downside to using egg whites is that you're limiting yourself on having any vitamin D, since that's found in the yolk of the egg. I do recommend adding only 2 vegetables max, just because it can get a little bit crowded in there. So just add that chopped spinach.
Next, we will pop this in the microwave for 1 minute. Remember, you can use any veggies you like here and can mix it up very easily, so you don't get tired of the same old boring thing. After it's been in the microwave for 1 minute, you're gonna take it out, add the cheese, and stir it around.
Stir it nice and good in there.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna give it back to Kristen to put in the microwave for another quick 30 seconds.
Once complete, you may need to let it cool. Feel free to add some salt and pepper for some extra flavor if that's your thing. And this is a nice soft consistency, which is great for individuals living with myasthenia gravis who might be struggling with dysphagia. And this is a nice, quick, easy recipe to have on hand that serves one. Enjoy!